Hank, this is something else that we like to do. It's an animal card. Do you want to jump them? Can you tell me what this one is?
Squirrel.
A squirrel. And what about this one?
A chicken. A chicken.
You got your fuzzy in there?
Back. Out. Out.
Can Mama try? There you go. Let's leave the box here.
Back there.
Yeah, what's this one?
Whale.
Whale. That's
Wagga.
Oh, that's another whale. That's a gray whale.
Wagga.
What about this one? What's this?
Koala. Koala.
Koala. Do you remember what that one is? Wombat.
Wombat.
Mhm.
Wombat.
Do you remember this one?
A bat.
No, the wombat lives in the outback. Yes, he does. What about this one?
Cougar.
Cougar.
Back here.
What about this one?
Newt.
Newt. That's right.
Newt away. Newt away.
We'll put the newt away. Oh, this is a good one. Do you remember this one?
Ox.
Fox. What's on the back of the fox?
Dingo.
A dingo. That's right.
Cows.
Mhm. What about this one?
Ducks.
He has tusks. Yes. Do you remember what his name is? What animal is this? Walrus. What's on the back of the walrus?
Them.
Go ahead, you can dump them. Do you remember what this one is?
Cook.
A skunk. What about this one?
Newt.
No, that's not a newt. What about this one?
Newt.
That's not a newt. What is this one?
Wolf.
A wolf.
Ow. Ow.
That's right. What does the wolf say? Ow, ow, ow.
Yana.
Hyena.
Way. Way.
What about this one?
Camel.
Uh-huh.
Dumpum. Dumpum.
Yeah, you dumped him. What about this one? Do you know what this one is?
Fiddle.
That's right, it's a turtle. What about, ooh, this is a good one too. What's this one?
Isa.
Cheetah, that's right.
Animal cut.
You go none with all your animal cards. Okay.